Hello and welcome to LetSetCom tutorials by Team LetX. In this video, we'll learn how to create an exit mat campaign. Before we start, let us see how does it look. So exit mat is something which you can show to your end user whenever he or she tries to leave the website. Now supposingly this is the website and I try to leave it. This is how it will appear. This is the headline. This is the subheadline 1. This can be an image or a video. This is subheadline 2. This is the CTA button and then the no thanks button. Now in order to create the campaign, you simply have to click on create new, click on exit mat, then the form would open up. Now the first thing that you need to configure is the campaign name. This is only for your internal reference. This would not be shown anywhere to your end user. Supposingly I write here mat. Now the next thing that I need to configure is the background type. It can be an image. If I choose it to be an image, then I have to either upload it or choose it from my library. If I choose solid color, then I need to configure the color. Supposingly I choose here green. I can also see the preview right in my dashboard by clicking on show or hide preview. So this is how it will appear. Now the next thing is the headline. This is headline. I can see the preview by clicking on update preview, and this is how it will come. Now the next section is subheadline 1. So I can write here this is subheadline. I can see the preview by clicking on update preview. This is subheadline. Now I can also highlight, italic, bold or underline it. Supposingly I want to make headline italic. I simply have to select headline, click on italic, update the preview, and this is how it will come. Now the next section is media type. Either I can upload a video or I can upload an image. If I go for video, I either have to embed the YouTube video or I have to enter the Vimeo code for video. If I choose an image, I either have to upload it or choose it from my library. Let's say I choose it from my library. I choose this image, click on done. Then the next section is subheadline 1. Before I go to the next section, I can update the preview and see this is how it looks. Now the next section is subheadline 2. So I write here subheadline 2. So I update the preview and find it right here. Now the next section is CTA Text. So I can write here CTA Text, update the preview and find it right here. Now the next thing that I need to configure is the CTA Action. Now this is what will happen whenever a visitor would click on the CTA button. Now either you can redirect him. If you redirect him, you need to enter the redirect URL. You can either redirect into a new tab. Even then you need to enter a URL. If you click on scroll, then you need to enter the XPath to the element. To know more about XPath, you can refer to our other video which is totally on XPath. Let's say we choose redirect and enter this as a redirect URL. Now the next thing that I need to configure is no thanks text. I write it as no thanks, update the preview and find it right here. Now in the other section, I need to configure the no thanks action. So I can either close the pop-up or redirect. If I choose to redirect, I need to enter the redirect URL. So let's say we choose close the pop-up. Now in the next section, I can configure whether I want to show the close button or I do not want to show the close button. So let's say we click on yes. Now in the next section, which is styling customization, we have set some default values for you. However, if you wish to change anything, you can simply do that as per your wish. Now this is the headline styling. You can change the font size, color and the font. Supposingly I want to change the subheadline styling. I make it 20 and change the color to be black. Simply have to click on choose, update the preview. Now subheadline 1 has been changed. Now the other section, I can do the same with subheadline 2 styling, CTA text styling. I can also change the CTA background color, no thanks text styling, and if I have highlighted something, I can customize it from here. Now once you've done everything in the campaign, you need to click on next, enter the redirect URL, enter the URL where you want the visitor to, where you want the campaign to appear. Click on save and then the campaign would be saved. Thank you.